Yeah, hi there. My name's Sam Burton. I'm a farmer in Warwickshire, and as part of the farm, my wife and I own and run a business called Wrestow Stud. Started foaling sport horse broodmares for clients all around about 15 years ago, and it rapidly started to expand, getting busier and busier, and we had to build a new, bigger facility for foaling the broodmares in, and also we needed to make time savings and make the work as easy as possible for the staff. So we thought, yeah, a conveyor belt into a farm trailer would be a really labour saving device and improve the look of the place. So I contacted Coveya after just finding them on a Google search on the internet, and Winston was very helpful in listening to the problem that we wanted to solve and discussing the options we wanted to do, and he was able to recommend Easikit 450 conveyor belt, which has become known here as the Muckavator. Basically all the mucking out from the stable in the wheelbarrows is then just simply tipped or pushed into the conveyor belt where it in the yard, so they don't have to go very far, and it takes it up over the wall outside and fills an old 10-ton silage trailer, and it's been working every day for the last 7 years when we built the yard and installed it, and it's been very little trouble. And the backup's also been very good. We have had to have some replacement parts over the 7 years, not very many, but that's always been very easy to do, and everything's been available and has arrived quickly. We've sometimes had visitors to our facility, and they go away and say, well, the one thing I'm really jealous of is the Muckavator, so we would quite like one of those on our yard. So yeah, it's been a very good product and problem solved, and works very well. Yeah, I would recommend Coveya to come up with a solution to your problem, whatever it is. This was a completely new use of a piece of their equipment to them, but they were happy to work with us to suggest the best thing to do, and the results worked. Yeah, I recommend Coveya for whatever your problem you've got to solve. I think that they'll come up with an answer for it.